Alright boys, LUI right here, real quick. This is going on right now on social media. It's quite big, so following that whole SHREDZ, Arvin, Photoshop, whatever. Arvin's World, which is the CEO of SHREDZ, is about to do a video right now, like in 4 minutes. So you need to go to his social media, namely Instagram. His name is Arvin's World, and he's gonna be publishing the video like right now in 1 hour, which was like in 4 minutes, right? Everybody is commenting. As for right now, as you guys can see, it's a slew of comments on it. So 56 minutes ago, it will be on. I wanted to let you in because I know that a lot of you guys are following this. I'll be watching it. This will not fall into my macros because I'll have some popcorn ready. That's what's up. Salute you wherever you is on a daily basis, baby, please.